Hello everyone. Today I introduce to Life Truth, which is our small project by our team Bug Smashers. It is an innovative solution designed to combat misinformation by analyzing live news through an AI powered pipeline. So, before jumping into our project or demo, we would first like to explore what our architecture is. So, we get in different types of data. It can be live streams, it can be video data, it can be audio data, and all of this data is get converted to textual data through NLP techniques or OCR techniques or through Hugging Face transformers. Then all this textual data is passed into a locally fine-tuned model. This fine-tuned model has been based on the base model Llama 2 7B Instruct, and the fine-tuning was done on basis of data sets like IFND and other fake news analyzing data sets. Once the data has been passed through this fine-tuned model, we get a semantic and historic analysis of our news. Now, to get a fact check of the news, we pass the headline or the news informatics through our Google search and attain the data of the top six to seven reliable sites and get the summary out of it. Now, analyzing our historic analysis and the summary, we finally generate a credible score whether our news is fake or not and a summary about it. To add an additional feature, we have a GPS based local SMS verification so that in cases where we have not a very reliable online information, we can have some ground reality to our news. Now let's move on to our demo. So a very simple homepage we have to our demo. Let's move on to the trending page. Here you can search for all the trending news going around in the world and add through at real time using the news fetch API. So till that time it is getting processed, let's have a demo of our fact checking module. As a very simple UI has been developed where we can check three types of information: an image checker, a text checker, and a video checker. Let's start with an image checker. We simply upload any image, and using the OCR techniques, we extract the information written in the image. Then this information is passed through the pipeline, and we get the results. What is the summary, whether the news in the image is fake or not, and a detailed description of it, which will be seen here like a simple summary and a detailed response that what all web pages we scraped and what all data is coming from them. Now let's move on to our video checker. This video checker module has been developed so that we can have real time video or broadcast checking. We take any YouTube URL, pass it into our system, and again normally we transcribe our video or extract content from it and pass it into our pipeline, where again simply we get a summary, a confidence score, and a detailed response that what all web pages were scraped to get the data and what all confidence or information was in or inside all those URLs, like this. So this is a very simple module we developed. Now let's go back to our demo page where we had our trending page and we can have any real time news going on evaluated. Due to having a small computation power, the results were a little bit slowed, but for real time analysis, we used at the backend Kafka and PySpark technology. So let's wait a bit and see our results. As we can see here, we have a very concise and crisp summary of what was going inside in the headline. Then we have a little bit of summaries, what URLs were scraped and what all information we got from that URL. And as a dashboard was asked to be developed, we have some few very simplistic visualizations here, which tell us what was the confidence score of the news attained from different websites, and to an average accuracy or confidence score, and a ground truth, which is the value of the GPS based SMS verifications we got. For this SMS verification, we use Twilio service right now, but if once this system gets deployed, we are planning to use the two-way gateway by NIC. So, to conclude, Rive Truth uses advanced AI technologies combined with practical verification to provide reliable news analysis. This approach helps build a well informed public, equipped to identify and reject misinformation. Let's fight against misinformation together. Thank you.